Hi all, welcome to Bodhi Coding. Today we are going to see the Tableau level of details. So what is level of details? When we apply to the aggregation to the fields of graph used in the Tableau, that aggregation will be applied to the all the columns. But in some situation, we want to apply the aggregation to the some fields and we did not include the some fields into the granularity level. So this is why we are using the level of details. So in this tutorial, we are going to use the Super data US Superstore dataset, which will contain the orders details. So to download this data, I have to go the link of community.tableau.com docs.doc1236. So I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to paste this in my browser. So this link will lead to the website where we can find the US Superstore dataset, which will be open source and easily available in the online. So we are going to download the dataset and we are going to import into the Tableau public. So when this page will load, we can find the data here. So let it be loading. Now we can see the dataset, which will be a XLS file here. So I'm going to download this and I'm going to save this into my local desktop folder. So I'm going to save this into the my desktop Tableau folder. Now I'm going to open the Tableau public and I'm going to load this dataset. So to load the XLS data, I have to press the Microsoft Excel. So this will prompt the folder where I have the dataset. So I am going to select the sample superstore dataset which I was download now. So this XLS file will contain the three sheet out of orders people. Out of that, I'm going to use the orders table, so which will contain the details of each order from the US Superstore. So I just drag it into the tables. It will load the data into the table. We can see that the each order's details, order ID, ship date, ship mode, customer ID, and state, segment, country, city. Likewise, this total sales for that order. So in level of detail, there are three kind of types. They are the fixed, exclude, and include. We are going to see the each type one by one. So first we are going to see the fixed type. So the fixed is used to apply the aggregation to the views, only fixed views in the granularity level. So we can see the example. I am going to map a graph to show the total sales in the region wise, segment wise, and state wise. So I'm going to construct the map. So region wise, segment wise, and the state wise total sales. So we can see that for in the central region, for the consumer segment, for the Kansas state, and I will put into the label for the Kansas state, we can find the total sales is 697, and I want to show the graph that will show the only the total sales based on the region and the state, but it will not include the segment. So how we are going to do this with fixed? To do this, we are going to create one calculated field. So we are going to put region, state, sales. So this will shows only the sales based on the region and state wise. So by fixing the region comma state, so which will neglect the segment in from the granularity level. It only fix the region and the state in the granularity level. I am going to find the sum of sales. So I am to apply this. Okay. Now I am going to drag it into the columns where I can see the right. I will put the this column into the label. I can see the only the region and state wise total sum of sales here. So this will shows only the region and state wise total. It will not include the segment into the granularity level. So this is the concept of fixed. Next we are going to see the exclude graph. So in the exclude is used to neglect the view in the granularity level, which will be excluded through the aggregation. So now I'm going to remap the construct the map again, the region wise, segment wise, state wise, total sales, and also I'm going to put these sales into the label. So for the same central and consumer and the state of Kansas, we can see that there are total sales of 697. Now I'm going to neglect this segment from the granularity level to apply the aggregation. The same problem we are see here. So to do this, I'm going to use the exclude now. So from the same way, I'm going to create one calculated field. So for that, I'm going to segment neglect sales. So I'm going to exclude here. By excluding the segment, find the sum of sales. I'm going to apply this and OK. So now I'm going to drag it into the columns. Now I'm going to remove the sales from the labels, and I'm going to include the segment neglect sales into the labels. So now I can see the same value by the previous one, which is used in the fixed. Now I had used it into the exclude condition. So what is the difference between that? Here I'm going to I had found the total sales by fixing the region and the state, but here I'm going to show the same value by exclude the segment from the granularity level. So the next is include. So include is used in the situation where we want to show the different aggregation to the different columns. So for the same I'm going to first of all I'm going to show the region wise sales in the here. So I'm going to include this sales into the label. So we can see the region wise sales in the graph. So now I'm going to show the state region wise state wise total average for the state. So to do this, I am going to use the include. So here I have to create one calculated field. I'm going to use the sales average region. So by include the state. So I'm going to use this name as state. By include the state, I want to find the sum of sales. So apply and OK. So now I'm going to drag it into the columns as no rows. Now I'm going to convert this. Now I'm going to convert this into the average. So here also I'm going to neglect this and state average region and convert it into the average. Now we can see that this is the centralized total sales. This is the centralized total sales, and this will be the centralized average based on the state, total state. So these are the purpose we are going to use the level of details. So in the fixed type, we are going to fix the columns we want and find the aggregations. In exclude, we are going to exclude the fields which we don't want into the aggregation from the granularity level, and in include we are going to show the different aggregation to the different aggregation to the different fields for the same granularity level.